Hello everyone, welcome to China Tech Chamatkar, where we uncover the amazing innovations from Chinese technology that's transforming the world. Today, we're talking about a robot that's revolutionizing hotels, Keenon's XMAN-R1. This is the world's first humanoid robot collaborating with specialized bots at the Shangri-La Hotel. It greets guests, answers questions, and provides 24/7 service. Is this the future of hospitality? Let's dive in. Like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on these wonders. First, let's learn about Keenon Robotics. This Shanghai-based company has been building service robots since 2010. They've deployed over 100,000 units across more than 60 countries. And now, on October 31st, 2025, they've made history, launching the XMAN-R1 at the Shangri-La Traders Hotel near Shanghai Hongqiao Airport. This is the world's first hotel where a humanoid robot teams up with specialized bots to cover the entire service chain, from check-in to room cleaning. This deployment is positioning China's service robotics as a global leader. Hotel management says it's boosted efficiency, freed staff from repetitive tasks, and given guests a novel tech-savvy experience. Night shifts are now easier, as the robots are ready 24/7. Now, let's explore the superpowers of the XMAN-R1. This is a wheeled humanoid robot, with human-like arms, a head with expressive eyes, and a mobile base perfect for indoor navigation. It's human-sized with a sleek design, key capabilities, natural interactions. It proactively greets guests with waves, bows, or handshakes. It handles intelligent Q&A for directions, hotel info, or recommendations. It can hand over small gifts like welcome candies or keys using its dexterous arms. Task execution. It adapts to unstructured environments, avoiding obstacles, understanding guest intentions through speech or body language. It performs complex tasks like pouring drinks, light cleaning, or assisting with doors. Safety first, smooth movements prevent collisions in crowded lobbies. Autonomy. It learns contextually over time, running 24/7 without constant supervision. At its core, powered by COM 2.0, the world's first vision language action model for the service industry, it sees visuals, processes language, and performs actions. Plus, Keenon Pros fine-tunes it for hotel workflows. K-Mind handles perception, K-Act manages execution, all combining into a smart brain. In demos, one video shows it greeting a guest stepping out of a car, opening the door, and offering candy. Another demonstrates pouring cereal. The precision is insane. What makes this truly revolutionary is the general purpose plus special purpose collaboration. The XMAN-R1 is the generalist, handling guest-facing roles like greetings and concierge services. But it doesn't work alone. It teams up with a fleet. W3, in-room deliveries, transporting amenities or food with autonomous navigation. S100 luggage handling, a high payload beast for airport transfers. C40, cleaning, multi-surface vacuuming and sanitizing for large areas. T10/T3, food delivery, from restaurant to room or table, optimized for speed and ROI. An orchestration layer handles task handoffs, like when the XMAN-R1 hears a guest request and alerts a delivery bot. This model covers unstructured interactions without losing the efficiency of single-purpose bots. Hotel KPIs like delivery time, cleaning coverage, and response speed have improved, and it's scalable, integrating with PMS and IoT to control elevators, locks, and more. In the future, this could become the norm in airports, conferences, and resorts. This isn't just a robot. It's a symbol of China's push for AI in hospitality. It solves labor shortages, elevates guest experiences, and lets staff focus on high-value tasks. Globally, China is leading, and this deployment could be a blueprint for hotels worldwide. Challenges? Costs might be high now, but mass adoption will bring them down. Safety and ethics are key. Robots assist humans, not replace them. So, what do you think? Will these robots come to your local hotel soon? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to China Tech Chamatkar for more tech innovations. See you in the next video with another wonder. Goodbye.